GPT-5.6 Soul and Google's Gemini are two of the most powerful AI models in 2026, but which one is actually better? In this video, we'll compare the performance, coding reasoning, multimodal features, pricing, and help you decide which AI is right for you. Performance and reasoning. GPT 5.6 Soul focuses on accuracy, reasoning, and following complex instructions. It performs especially well on coding tasks, technical writing, and detailed problem solving. Gemini is also a strong reasoning model and has improved significantly. It excels at handling long documents, searching through large amounts of information, and integrating with Google's ecosystem. If your work involves complex logic or professional tasks, GPT 5.6 Soul generally has the edge. Coding and development. For developers, GPT 5.6 Soul is one of the best coding assistants available. It generates clean code, explains bugs clearly, and works well for debugging and large programming projects. Gemini is also capable and supports many programming languages, especially if you use Google Cloud or Android development tools. Overall, GPT 5.6 Soul is usually the stronger choice for serious coding. Multimodal features. Both models can understand text, images, and files. Gemini stands out with its deep integration across Google services like Docs, Gmail, Drive, and Workspace, making it convenient for productivity. GPT 5.6 Soul offers excellent image understanding, document analysis, and natural conversations, making it ideal for research and content creation. Pricing and best use cases. Both platforms offer free access with premium subscriptions for higher limits and advanced features. Choose GPT 5.6 Soul if you need better coding assistance, strong reasoning, technical writing, research, and complex problem solving. Choose Gemini if you need tight integration with Google Workspace, productivity tools, long document analysis, daily personal or business workflows. Final verdict. Both are excellent AI models, but they serve slightly different audiences. If coding, reasoning, and high quality responses are your priority, GPT 5.6 Soul is the better overall choice. If you are heavily invested in Google's ecosystem and want seamless productivity features, Gemini is an excellent option. Ultimately, the best AI depends on how you plan to use it. If this comparison helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more AI comparisons, and let me know down below in the comments which AI model you are using in 2026. Thanks for watching and goodbye.